Hello friends, welcome to nationalPC YouTube channel. Myself Prosenjit. Today I will do some unboxing of a different kind of products. In the previous video we have done so many things related to the computer components, but we have received so many comments, so many questions regarding the light. Light is the very necessary product in this world because everyone do some blogging, some product shooting, product video, online chatting, online game. Everywhere you need a good quality of light for this purpose. So today I will do some unboxing and review for the Elgato Key Light Air. Elgato has four kind of light in this segment. One is ring light, one is Elgato Key Light normal standard, one is Key Light Air and one is Key Light Mini. In this video I will do the unboxing and review for this Key Light Air. So we'll begin this video. Elgato Key Light Air. First looks this box. It's a very huge box, near about 2 feet box, and all the main features are described on the front panel. First things we have to notice that illumination on command. So whenever you need the light, how much you need the light, you can fully control this light through your mobile app or any kind of like iOS or Android. Both app is available with this Elgato. Now next thing is Wi-Fi enabled. That means you do not need to connect this device through wire with your wireless devices like with your router. So with this router you can easily connect this device via wireless, and I will show you in this video how to connect this device. Next thing is the lumens. This is how much power, how much light you will get from this device. That is 1400 lumens. It's a good quality of light you can use for a personal blogging purpose or personal product shooting purpose. Next thing is the full spectrum. What is this full spectrum? This light is coming with the Osram LED, which is the industrial grade, and total is 80 LEDs there. In this 80 LEDs, 40 LEDs is the warm and 40 LEDs is for the cool light. So if you adjust this warm and cool light, so you will get the full spectrum of the light. So you will get the up to 2900 from the warm side and 70,000 K for the cool side. The full spectrum you will get from this light. And the next thing is the space saving. I will show you at the time of unboxing. It's a very much compatible, very much you can like say it's a very much small size actually. You can easily compatible to your bag and everything, so you can carry this device anywhere. And next thing is the freestanding. You can easily take this light from anywhere. You can easily keep this light to anywhere, so you can stand it anywhere location. Now if you do the back side, whatever I say, this is the full spectrum, and in this device you will also get the app from the Elgato website. With this app you can control the full light spectrum. And next thing is the Google Play and App Store, both app is available. It is a Wi-Fi enabled, and this is the actual specification of the light and how much power it will consume. It is the maximum 25 watt it will consume. And other than that, this is the stand is there, and this is the one ball mount is there in this light, so you can freely move the light to any location or anywhere. At the time of unboxing I will show you. So the main thing is the light, and you can control everything. Everything means from the light, from the orientation, from the dimension, everything you can adjust from this device. So let's start the unboxing and I will show you everything one by one. Elgato Key Light Air. So start the unboxing. Wow, Elgato logo is there. First there is some quick start guide, how to install this light, how to install the stand, how to use the app. Everything I will show you one by one. This right side, there is the power adapter, different type of mount. There is the light mounting kit. This is the ball head, so you can move to any direction. There is another screw. Also there is some small manual for the multi-language. Wow, this is a very weight is there. I guess this is the base. Yes, this is the metal base. Heavy weight is there, so that means if you put this on a desk, it will not move. Keep it aside. This one is the light and this one is the stand. Wow. There is also measurement. Very good. So you can actually use this measurement as per your the position of the light, and you can lock the position. There is the screw is there. I will show you. And this position is for the wire. So what is the light wire? It will not go there anywhere. So you can easily hide this light, this cable inside this gap. Now the main light. This is the main things inside the box. Wow. This is the white diffuser. So the light will be bounced back from the front. So the light will be very much quality will be there. There is some logo. The one by one I will show you. This is the actually the DC socket. This 13 volt 2 ampere. So maximum it is, so you can already calculate is 26 watt. And this is the reset switch. The reset switch is for if you use this device in a particular Wi-Fi router, you have connect this, it will save this in this memory. So whenever you turn off this device and again turn on this device, so it will automatically connect to the previous router. But if you want to install this router, if you want to use this device with a different kind of router or another router, you have to press the reset switch and you have to reset the settings. Then you can again connect this device with the new router. And this is the hole to connect the stand, and this is the one on off button, the hard on off button. You can actually on off this light using the app, or you can hard on off switch is there. Now I will show you the installation of the stand and base. So one by one I will show you. This thing is there. This is the ball head. These two type of screw. These things are actually for the adapter. So keep it aside right now. And this is the another ball head. This is the main base. This stand will be goes like this way. Okay. You have to check the height, this one or this one. This one is not possible because it's not out in this side. So you have to install this one. Okay. So keep the stand like this way. This way. And this is for the adjustable for the length. This is for the adjustable length. Okay. As this is a ball head, so it's little bit tricky. Okay, not difficult but tricky because this is a metal, so you can easily drop it from your hand. You have to lock this using this one, and you have to put the ball head like here, and you have to put this here. Okay. Just put the stand this way. Okay. So you can move it in any direction, top, bottom, left, right, whatever your desired position is there. After that you have to tight this like this one. Yes, that's it. You no need to do anything else. So our installation is done. So next thing I will show you, I will power on this device. I will show you how to operate this device using the mobile app, how to connect this using this mobile app to your Wi-Fi router, and how to control the brightness and how to control the color temperature. Now we have connected both the Elgato light with this mobile app. So let's control this light. First I will show you the brightness control. So you can check, this is the off position, and this is the mid position, and this is the full light. And this full light spectrum is in right now in the cool position, yani 7000K. Now we will move it towards the warm position. You can control both the lights on the different way also. Here is an option, link accessories control. So if you turn off this, you have the option to individually change the light. So one is warm, one is cool. So right side is, you can check, this is the warm light and this is the cool light. So you can alternatively do, this is the warm and this is the cool light. So that's why you can control the light spectrum and you can control the light brightness also. Elgato Keylight Air is already connected with the network, and you can control this using this mobile app. Now the question is, if you want to use this Keylight Air with another network or another app, how to reset this device? This is the reset button. You have to press and hold this reset button for up to 10 seconds. You will see that the light will blinking for 2 to 3 times. Then you will realize that this light is being reset from the network and it is not connected to the existing network. You can see this is blinking right now. After that, you will check that in the app also this device will be not showing, it will be disconnected. I hope you have liked this Elgato Key Air light, and this is a very good product. You can use this device any kind of purpose, like your video chat, like your online class, like your product photo shoot, your online gaming, any kind of purpose you can use these devices. You can control anything. I have already shown you that you can control your stand, your light, your texture, your light texture, everything you can control. So this is the one kind of best product I can assure you. So if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as possible. If you have any kind of information, or if you need, or if you have some query, please comment us in this video. Stay tuned our channel. See you guys on the next video.